In this video, we are going to show you how to set up a pricing table in Elfsight. If you want to set up a pricing table to add to your website, it's quite simple. Once you log into your Elfsight account, you want to here on the top corner, top location where the Elfsight logo is at, hover your mouse on widgets. Now in widgets, you want to go to e-commerce, right? And under e-commerce, you're going to have an option there for pricing table, right? And you click on pricing table. You're going to be brought to this page here. All you need to do is click create widget for free, like so, no credit card needed. And here you're going to choose whatever template you want. So for this example, we're just going to choose the first option and click on continue with this template like so. And here you can just make sure to customize the pricing widget the way you want it. You can edit the content, right? You can add a table here. You can add multiple tables. You can also customize the appearance of the layout, column style, color, secondary color, fonts, toggle of the table, navigation arrow, so on and so forth. After you've gone through everything and you're satisfied, all you need to do is click on add to website for free and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.